Hello and welcome. I'm Helen Pecker and I'm the designer of these wedding dresses. Today we will make overbust corset pattern. Now I work with back. Now I draw a line where the loops will be sewn. I made a wide tilt. You can do it a little narrow it along the top line. In this drawing, the top line is 8 centimeters. I finished the top line of the corset from point P4. Along the line of loops, the top line of the corset dropped slightly. I need the seam through the bust point to have an aesthetically correct slope. The slope of the top of this seam should be toward the side. I mark a new point on the top line. A new tilt will be modeled.